So in this video we're going to talk about what is Node. So previously we can execute our JavaScript only inside one browser, like we have the Chrome. So inside the Chrome we have the V8 engine, and the V8 engine can take the JavaScript and it can convert that to machine readable machine code. We're inside the Chrome console. Now here we can execute the JavaScript. So we can add two numbers, we can console log welcome to JS, and you can see here we have the output. And also we can call the methods like math.random and it can generate random numbers. And also we can create the alert like window.alert, and we can create alert in our browser. So previously we can only execute the JavaScript inside of a browser, and that is because of this V8 engine. But someone came with the great idea, so he took the Chrome's V8 engine and wrapped it around the C++ code and called this Node. Now because the V8 engine is wrapped around the C++ code, now it can directly run on a computer. Now we can feed our JavaScript code to the Node, and because inside Node we have the V8 engine, so it can convert that JavaScript to machine readable code, and which can be executed on a computer. So we can say that now with the help of this Node we can execute JavaScript outside of any browser. We can directly execute on a computer. And also Node can read and write files to the computer, and also it can connect to databases also. And also the Node can act as a server. And also because Node is using the Chrome's super fast V8 engine, so the Node is very fast. So because of all of these advantages, Node is a very good choice for the server. So we can use the Node and we can create our server, and there are several advantages of that. So we can use the JavaScript code in the front end and also in the back end. So we don't have to learn any separate language. We can use the same JavaScript language that were used in the front end. We can use that in the back end also. Now the client can send request to the server, and Node can talk to some database and it can generate response, and it can successfully respond back to the client. So we can use Node as a server, so it can take the request and it can respond back to the client. So because of all of these reasons, Node is very widely used in the backend server. So we can say that Node gives us one environment where we can execute our JavaScript outside of any browser. So in the next video we're gonna see how we can install and execute Node in our computer. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.